morning, my little learners. On your demand, I am here with the solution of mathematics of standard 2. See here, looking back, the name of the chapter is numbers up to 200. Okay, numbers up to 200. Up to 100 numbers you know very well. Now let's look back. As you know, this strip we use for the tens digits. Okay, in first standards you saw that these are 10 ones, means 110 you can call it. These are 1 and 2, so I can say 2 tens means 20, and this symbol is used for the individual ones. 1, 2, 3 ones are there, means 2 tens 20, 3 ones 3, 23. So I should match this with 23, and the name 23 is here, so I have to just join here this line. Now do count how many tens are in the second example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens 70. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones 74. So here I can see this 74, and the name of 74 is this. So let's do join here. Now do count how many tens are here again. 1, 2, 3 means 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. 3 tens 39. 9 ones 39. So 39 is here, and yes, name of 39 is here. Let's do join it. Now the last example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 tens 81. 81 is here, and 81 here and here. Yes, you can do join like this. Just read the second question. Write the numbers before, after and between. So here 59 is given and the next box is empty, so I have to write here after numbers. So 59, the after number of 59 is 60. Here I have to write the before number. Before number of 81 is 80. And here between number I have to write to 67. Of course 68 will be there before 69 and after 67. So like this you have to solve this question. Now next question is, in each group color the car with the greatest number red and the smallest number blue. Here just find out in example A, 83, 81, 85 and 80. 4 numbers are given. In the example clear cut is greatest number with the red. Greatest number is 85 in this, so I am having this. So you just color this car with the red color, and this is my blue color which I have to use to indicate the smallest number, which is the smallest number is 80. So I have to color this car with the blue one. Similarly in the second example, 21, 25, 52 and 23, these numbers are given. The greatest number is of course 52, so I have to color this with red color, and the smallest number is 21, so I will color it by the blue color. In last class, you know, the symbol is used, one strip you used to show the 110s, but in this lesson, means from second standard, we will learn the numbers up to 200. In that 100 numbers will use, like 123, 125, 186, etc. numbers you have to learn up to 200, so that 100 I'll show with this grid to you, because in this small 100 squares I use to show the 100. See here 10 tens means 100. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 columns are there. So 10 tens are 100. Together will make 100. So here clear cut it is mentioned that 10 tens equal to 100. These 10 strips of tens, like this tens, is used to make 100 here. Okay. In your exercise 1A, First question is action exercise, and in this action exercise, just read the question once and decide what to do. Take a few sheets of square line paper and some crayons. Color the boxes to show these numbers. Use one page for each number. Color a box of 100 squares for 100, which I introduced right now like this. One strip of 10 squares for 110 and one box for the ones like this you have to use for the tens, this you have to use to show the ones. Okay, and here numbers are given 1 2 3 4. Okay, the first number I'll consider, and for this I'm using here this kind of square line paper. Okay, so first number is 123. As you can see here, this 1 is nothing but 100, so the place value of this is hundreds. This 2 indicates the place value 20, means it is tens place, 2 tens. Okay, and this 3 is ones. Okay, play. Now let's start the activity. To show this 100, I have to use here 100 squares. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This first column I have to count in this column and this row also. Okay, to make a 10. As you count here, you just mark it for the 10 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Up to this you have to color this. Start color it. Many students like the activity, so in the maths are also there, many activities are there which definitely you will like. So do this very carefully. Yes, here 10 strip of tens use. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So these are the complete 100. You can color it more properly. I am doing it very hurriedly because of the time limit. Video should not be extended. Okay, now 100. This is my 100. Okay, now this 20 we have to show. So for this 20 I have to color 2 strip of 10 tens, isn't it? This is my one strip. Here I use the red color for it. You just color it properly. The second strip also I need. You just do subscribe my channel for the new videos, because I will try to add maximum videos in this. To clear the concept, you can repeatedly see that videos. Okay, yes, now these 2 tens are there. Now 3 ones I have to show. So 3 ones I am using the green color for that. 3 ones only. One single box for 1 I am using, so 1 box. These videos you can share with your friends so that they also will get the information and clarity in their examples. Yes, this is my 22 strips and this is my 3 ones, means plus sign I can put in between these. The addition of these 3 is definitely equal to 123. Okay, so one example on one sheet. To solve the another example, you just have to use the another sheet, okay, of square line paper. So next solve the let's solve the next example, which is 160, 105 and 115. Let's take this one. If you observe this here, 160 means ones is absent here, so no need to draw these squares here. Let's take it fast. B, which is that 160, 160, 106 tens 60 and 0 ones. Okay, now let's do color it. I'm using this color for it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's make a box like this. It will become less hectic for you to draw. Now do color it fast. See, I colored this box for 100. Now my next number is 6 tens 60. So let's color the 6 tens. If here not sufficient strips are there, 1 2 3, if I keep some gap in the strips, so I can draw here, I can color here 3 strips only, so I am using this strip down strips for this. So you can color this horizontally also or vertical also as you need. So let's count this, color this 1 2, one strip, this is up to this mark only. Let's color it. As you can see here, I color the 6 strips to show the 6 tens. Here ones are 0, so no need to color the single square here because ones are not there. So this is 100 and these are the 60. So 100 plus 60, I can say that is equal to 160. Okay, let's take another example. I would like to explain the third example for you, this C, 105. As you observe this number here, tens place is absent, means that is 0, 105 direct. Okay, let's color it. Let's count this 10 boxes, 10 columns and 10 rows to show the 100. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, make a border. And do color it. Here I colored this box for the 100. Now in this tens is absent, but 5 ones are there, so 5 single box we have to color. One, two, three, 4 and 5. So for 105 I have to color like this. This is my 100 and these are my 5 ones. The addition of is 100 plus 5 means like 100 plus 5 is definitely 105. In this way you can solve this first question, which is activity based. Now let's solve the second question. Say the numbers are allowed as you write them. Okay, this is 100, 110 and 4 ones, 114. Okay, 100, 3 tens, 3 and 0 ones. Ones के लिए कोई box नहीं दिया है यहाँ पे, so 0 ones. This number I have to read 130. 100, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 tens, 1 2 3, 3 ones, 153. 100 and 9 ones. Tens strip is not there, so I have to write 0 for it. Okay, 100, 0 tens and 9 ones. Tens are not given here. So 109. Now here 200s, tens are not there, so 0, and ones also absent, so write 0. This is the complete 200. Okay. Like this way you have to solve this second question.